chocolate chip cookies. My name is Julie, and these are my little chefs, Natalie and Nicole. Alright, so as you can see, they're putting butter in. We use 1 cup of butter. When we make cookies, we do something called creaming the butter, which makes it really nice and smooth. We cream it with sugars, so we're going to do some brown sugar and regular sugar. It's 3/4 of a cup of sugar, plain sugar.
Sugar to make it sweet.
Move this over. So 1, 2, 3. 3/4 of a cup of sugar. Okay.
I only do 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's a really touchy face.
All right, and now brown sugar.
Sugars are the sweet.
So 1. No, I have a cold. 2. Dump it in. Dump it in. 2. Okay.
And 1 more.
And 3.
Freeze.
All right.
There we go.
So now we're gonna put this. And we're gonna cream it. Alrighty. While the mixer is going and creaming the sugar and butter, Natalie's gonna crack our eggs.
Yes, I'm probably a person.
1 at a time. So we need 2 eggs for this recipe.
I'm gonna do 1 too. So our second little step is Coley.
So Coley's gonna do it. Oh, in this hand, this hand.
You can get a little messy when
And
it
I'm
comes
gonna
to the top.
pull it open.
It gets that messy.
Yay!
Yeah, sister, we get what I get what you get my eggs.
So the cookie dough is
Almost ready.
what we call creamed, like I said.
Cream.
I'll show it to you. So
Ooh,
the sugar, nope, not yet. The sugars and butters are combined. There's no chunks of butter. Now we can go on. So now we add our 2 eggs. Whoops. I'll put those in there. And then put that over there. We're going to add vanilla extract. We're going to add 1 teaspoon.
Let me see it hot.
And then we just put it right in.
Okay. So that's that. And
So now we're going to mix this up. Alrighty. The eggs and the butter sugar mixture have been combined. There are no clumps. It looks very good. Please, not yet.
Not yet for the tasting, sister.
So now we're going to add our dry products. You just kind of mix it up just a little bit. So what is in here?
Using a knife.
So what is in here is 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda,
And that's soda.
and some salt. So this is the baking soda.
And salt. Rudy.
A little salt grinder. And we just use all-purpose flour. Alright, so we're going to dump this in.
You want to learn how to make it right? I think my mom has done it for like 20 years. 20 years? That's a lot of years too. I'm 15. I'm 15 in my class. I'm number 15 in class. And I'm nobody in my class.
Alright, so now we're going to combine that. Alrighty. So everything is combined now. Again, there's no chunks. It's all yummy. And everything is mixed. And now, the best part. We add 2 cups of chocolate chips. Usually I just do a package. Works out good. Alright. Moment of truth. So now
a taste. We gotta mix it up together.
we're gonna mix it up. Someone's being a taste tester already. Oh, nope. How is it, Chloe?
No.
Now look, all mixed in.
Can all of us try one?
My taste testers. We're gonna do like a good little chunk. It's usually about like 2 teaspoons worth. So we just roll it nice like this. And then I usually put them on a plate or something to put them into the freezer. Like this. Oops. And then once they're cooled, we can just put them right onto a cookie sheet. Alrighty. These little girls need to stop eating the cookie dough. So we have our cookie balls. Nice and frozen, nice and hard. They're not sticky when I touch them anymore. We're going to put them on a lined cookie sheet.
Can I help?
You can say hi if you want.
Hello.
Here we go. So nice spread out. It's about inch and a half between each cookie. So hopefully they don't bake into each other. But if they do, they still taste yummy. And we're going to put them in the oven for about 9 to 11 minutes at 375. Alrighty. I am back. They are out of the oven. They did go into each other a little bit, but they look delicious. Can't wait to taste them out when they cool down a little bit. Thank you for cooking with us. And again, this is how to make some yummy chocolate chip cookies.